Alright, hello guys, it's Jira Bro back with another video, and we're talking of course about the new feature. What is actually coming are the request type restrictions for Jira Service Management. Now the question is, who actually might have the access to this? Basically, it is anyone, anyone on the site. So even who I'm actually using the testing instance in here, I have access to this. So the question is how this really works. So let's say that you have some certain type of people who can actually raise certain type of requests. You have your business people, you have your IT people, you have your software developers, you have all of these guys. Everything is working within the same roof, within the same project, but you have different departments. So this is why you actually have the power to control who can have the access to raise certain requests. So how it actually works, you navigate to your request types, you actually click on the request type, and once you actually click it, you go here. It says anyone can raise this request. So basically, like it says, anyone can actually do this. Now, what you can do is you can give access to specific people who can raise this request. So it says restricted request types can be raised in all channel except email, chat, widget, and virtual agent. So that is actually pretty great. So in here, so there's more. So if a user doesn't have the access to request type, they won't be able to raise that request, as they won't see it available as an option to them. Even if they try to actually search for this, they won't have the option for this. That includes agents and admins who may not have access to raise certain requests or move issues to restricted request types. So this means even if you're administrator, even if you're a service desk agent on that specific Jira Service Management project, if you're actually the one to who belongs to the group who is restricted to see some certain request types, you won't be able to see them, no matter how powerful your permissions are. So these things. So one thing, it says these restrictions only apply to raising a request and don't extend to a viewing issue once it's created. What actually this means, when you're raising a request, you have two ways. One, request is being raised through the portal, right? And this is something that your customers are going to use. The other thing is that the request is being raised directly through Jira. This means basically this is something that mostly service desk agents are actually using. So if it was raised from the Jira, this request restriction doesn't apply there. So bear that in mind. So actually how this actually works is I can use myself in here, and also what is what is actually in here as well. So I now have this application testing. Now, why is it showing this? Because this is actually, let me see here. Okay, this is fine. So I just want to restrict this. Okay, I just want to restrict this for, let's say customers, and let's say myself. I can actually apply this, and basically when I apply this, restrictions are getting added. But the thing is in here, if I go, okay, okay. So one thing that you need to bear in mind is, let me see here, Jira admins users. So we're going to add this, and I'm going to say only me and this specific group have access to request type. Everyone else doesn't have the access. And I apply this, and now it's locked. So this is basically how it works. Alright guys, so that is it that you needed to know about this really interesting feature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.